This video is sponsored by Vanguard. Now Vanguard manufacture a whole range of photography and video accessories, and they include things like tripods, camera bags and cases that really do suit all levels of budget. I've used a Vanguard tripod and camera bag for many years now, and I've been very impressed with the build quality and functionality. If you want to check out their full range, visit vanguardworld.com.
Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and this is my unboxing and first look of the Fuji Finepix HS50 EXR. This is a really nice looking bridge camera with some really good specifications as well. Here's just a few of them. 16 megapixels optical image stabilization, a 24mm wide angle lens with a 42 times optical zoom. Also got a 3-inch screen in here, and something that interests me on this particular model is the video mode 1080p, 60 frames per second, and also phase detection as well, so it should be really good at autofocusing during video recording. So let's have a look inside the box and see what we get. And you're going to be getting more videos on this camera, so please do keep an eye on the Geekanoids channel for them. This is the sort of instruction pamphlet bag. Let's have a look in here, see what we get. So we have got, this is going to be for attaching the lens cap, I would think, so that you don't lose the lens cap. And then we've got some information here about warranty, worldwide network, basic manual to get you up and running. So this is just going to get you up and running with it, putting the battery in, putting the memory card in, and just taking your first photo and basic setup. And then we've got some software here. We've got Finepix Studio, raw file converter for Windows and Mac. The Finepix Studio is Windows only, and then the owner's manual as well in different languages. So that's that first packet out the way, and then we've got the battery. Now a lot of the Fuji cameras take AA batteries. This one does take a lithium ion battery. It's an NPW126 7.2 volt 1260 milliamp hour 8.7 watt hour battery, so a nice capacity battery in there. And then we're down into the main compartment of the box, a Fujifilm camera strap, which in all fairness I probably won't use, but it's nice that they include a camera strap. And then we've got the camera itself, which as always we are going to leave until last. And then we've got the rest of the accessories in here. Oh, this is nice. I didn't expect to get one of these, but we have got a lens hood in here as well, so nice that they include a lens hood with the camera. We've also got that strap that I meant, the dust cover or lens cap that I mentioned, and that little piece of string or the lanyard type thing goes through here and then connects to the camera, so when the lens cap is off the camera you're not going to lose it. We've also got a USB cable, and then we've got a 3-pin UK power adapter, and then on this end we have got a figure 8 connector as well, and this is going to go into the battery charger. And then last but not least we have got the battery charger itself. So you charge the battery outside of the camera, and this is going to be a multi-voltage 100 volt to 240 volt battery charger, and depending on what country you're in you're just going to get a different power cable for it. So let's pop all of this out of the way, and we will have a look at the camera itself. So here we go, 16 megapixels 42 times zoom on this camera, and that phase detect autofocus as well. So let's just open this up. And I'm really excited to actually test this for both photographic and video capability as well. So here we go. This is the Fuji Finepix HS50 EXR. Excuse all the rattling there on the microphone. Now let's give you a closer look at the camera itself. Looks really nicely made actually. Feels nice in the hand, a nice sort of steady feel to it. And although it is primarily plastic, it feels very solid indeed. Very impressed. So anyway, on the bottom here we've got the tripod mount just here, and then we can open up the battery cover. So this is where the battery goes. No memory card in this slot, just the battery, so they've kept the memory card slot separate. And then round on the side, this is where the memory card goes, SD, SDHC, SDXC memory card slot. Nice firm feel to that as well, very, very good build quality, impressed so far. Round on the back here we've got various buttons. We've got a quick menu button, we've got the EV LCD button here, we've also got a diopter adjuster just at the top here, and the electronic viewfinder at the top. Direct record button, LED, no doubt that will come on perhaps when we're recording. Auto exposure AF lock, function button, flash, timer and macro, and they're sort of all the way round the menu OK button in the middle. So this isn't a four-way rocker, they're separate buttons, so a little bit of a different design there. Display and back button, playback button as well. And then we've got this screen. So this is the vari-angle screen, 3-inch screen. I think it's 920k dot resolution. Of course it does sort of high angle shots, low angle shots, and goes all the way round to front facing. So if you're recording yourself, you can of course see yourself. Now we can put that back on the body to keep the screen nice and safe. And round on this side, we've got some different, I think these different focus modes. So single focus, continuous focus, manual focus. And we've got a little flap here. Let's just peel this back. This is a remote and HDMI. So USB in here as well, or remote, and then HDMI out if you want to display your pictures and videos on a large screen TV. Just put that back in. And then we've got another one here, really nice, 2.5mm audio jack there for a microphone. So if you want to use a normal 3.5mm audio jacked microphone, you have to buy an adapter. I have got an adapter in already, so when I'm doing the video tests on this, I will test both the built-in microphones and the external microphone capability as well. Then we have also got a little button here to pop up the flash. Nice action on the flash. We'll be testing that during our review procedure as well. And then we've got this lens, the big lens, 24mm, its widest angle, 1000mm. Yep, 1000mm, 42 times optical zoom lens. Really nice lens. And here we go, this is the zoom action. And it keeps going. Wow, that is certainly a very, very long reach on this lens. And I'll be testing that out as well in both the video and the photo tests on the HS50 EXR. This is the front element here. 58mm threads, you can put filters on here. Round onto this side, we have got the shutter button, the on-off switch as well. We've also got a exposure compensation, shooting modes, and this also zooms in and out when you're previewing back your photos. And then on the top plate here, we have got a mode dial. It's got a nice firm action to it. Sorry, this is a selector dial, and then this is the mode dial, EXR. We've got an auto mode, advanced mode, SP1, SP2, panorama mode, custom, manual, aperture and shutter priority, program mode, and then back round to that EXR mode. We've also got hot shoe on top, two little metal bits here for attaching a strap, and that is it. A very nice looking camera. Oh, and I forgot to show you here at the back. So this does the zoom, and then the back ring here does the focus if you're in manual focus mode, and that is nice and smooth. I'm hoping to test out the manual focus during video. So this is the Fuji Finepix HS50 EXR. Really nice looking bridge camera with that 42 times optical zoom. This has been my unboxing and first look. Please do stay tuned to the Geekanoids channel, because I will be doing an HD video test and also a full review. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.